Heart Shop Max coilovers. Want to open it?
Yeah.
You know what this is?
It's a cover.
What are you doing? Why do you make that face when the camera turns on? Stop it. You crazy? How do you open it?
I don't cut it.
Okay, open it up. You need some help?
No.
Now you got it? Can you get it open? Hey! Don't jump with scissors. You gonna do the other side? Oh, you did it. You learned.
We did one how I cut it. Let's own it.
Pull it this way.
Oh, this way.
Yeah. There you go.
That's how we own it.
Okay, now it should open up.
That's how the compost. On the map over the heavy.
Right.
Let's pick this too. Maybe some up and then leaving.
Oh, not too heavy, actually. Oh, a sticker.
Yes, stick off. This is no. This is up. Raise up. Can you take it out of the
Oh, another sticker. That's cool.
Another stickers.
Yeah.
The stickers are pillow
You
stickers.
want me to peel them? Well, we'll put them on later, okay?
Oh. Why did you make it? And why did you make it? And why
Wow, they look great.
did you bake
I mean, the pictures online don't even come close to showing just how
I hit it up.
shiny and
I did it.
glittery it all is.
I did it.
Big bearing on the top half. Box shaft has a little flap, so
Got
you
it.
can put a wrench on that. Plated steel here, not cheap aluminum like most other brands. And the shock shaft, much thicker than Megan's. Parts Shop Max, or PBM as it's called, upgraded me to 12K springs. He didn't even charge me extra. And he sold me just the front pair, which is all I need for now since I broke the knuckle that I had before. The Naoki knuckles should be getting here around Christmas. We'll have to wait for those. This top camber plate allows you to put and adjust camber, or you could turn it a little bit and just a little bit of camber and caster, or just caster. Pretty nice feature, especially since I'm doing the conversion on the Q45. If I don't get the holes just right on the chassis when I drill through, I'll be able to get it dialed in perfectly with all this extra adjustment from the Pro top plate. This is a aluminum lower bracket, very thick, very thick. It's looks like it's CNC machined. They even come with anti-seize already on the thread. I've never seen that before on a different brand of coilovers, and I've used a lot of different brands. These are really thick. Oh yeah, that spins really nice. Hey, what are those?
Stop.
Oh wow, I didn't know those came with this.
Don't
Oh wow. I guess the Powered by Max Pro coilovers come with the camber adjuster. Adjustable camber bolts are nice. You have one centered, and then you have, oh, that's a centered one. You have offset, so you can could put it right here and have more camber, flip it around, less camber.
Oh, I forgot
we'd go ahead and center it.
Very. Look 'em.
You like those?
I do. The boats.
Yeah, we'll make sure that you don't lose those later when I might need them, huh?
Mine, another need them too.
I give you 8 of those, so you can adjust both sides either way.
Yeah.
Pretty cool. I've got to say, I think the coilovers are really nice, and I'm definitely going to be recommending them to my friends. And I'll be buying some for the rear once I get the rear all figured out for sure. I've used their older version before, and I was always impressed with the handling and the ride quality. So I'm sure these new ones are even better than before.